सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ से पार्टनरशिप करेंगे जितना पॉसिबल है, और मौका देंगे। अब हम दोनों को एक दूसरे को मौका देंगे कि टाइम थोड़ा स्पेंड करेंगे, उसके बाद क्लोज लेके जा सकते हैं। बिकॉज आप जैसे बोले 4 विकेट ऑलरेडी खो चुके थे, सो हम लोग के पास बड़े शॉट के ऑप्शन नहीं थे। सो उसकी वजह से सिर्फ पार्टनरशिप था, लेके जाइए। अगर आप ट्राई नहीं करेंगे और पहले ही अगर आप बड़ा शॉट खेलने में आउट हो जाएगा तो आपको नहीं पता ही 20 ओवर में तक क्या हो सकता है अगर आप रहेंगे। सो हम दोनों का क्लियर था, दोनों खेलेंगे जितना डीप हो सके। इसलिए जब 3 ओवर में 60 भी या जितने भी चाहिए थे, हम आई डोंट थिंक हमको थोड़ा भी ऐसा लग रहा था कि पॉसिबल नहीं है। बिलीव था करेंगे और हुआ।
Since IPL, Asia Cup, batting, bowling, like you said that it will be a surprise when I start bowling. So do you think the best version of Hardik Pandya or Hardik Pandya like this?
Yes, I can see that it was before the game. I sent out also as well that I said 10 months back, when I was just entering the ground, also said, you know what, because I was very happy. I was just very smiling and very excited. So he was like, you know what. He might have thought that I was overexcited for the game, but I just told him, I said, when 10 months back where I was, when I took a break from the sport, this is what I wanted to do till I play the sport. Enjoy the sport, I contribute as much as possible, and there are certain level of standards which I expect myself to play with. And as you said, last 6-7 months or since the time, I will count my time off the game as well, where I was preparing. Those are one of my best moments in my life, because it taught me a lot of things. It got me on a way where something which I would have never imagined. There was a time where I did not know what is next for Hardik Pandya. So I had to get something out of, kind of go very involved in my thought process and kind of get something out, saying that what do you want from life? And when that happened, and that's where somewhere I realized that it's time for you to be what you want to be, which is playing at the highest level, being able to contribute in every game, no matter what the result, but being there, giving the opportunity to yourself to kind of contribute as much as possible. So, as you said, this 6 months has been fantastic, and I don't think I would change anything in my life, and this will be one of my best 6 months going forward. I might have more better days, but the journey which has happened, and from where I have come and where I have reached, I'm just very grateful to the life, and to my family, to everyone who has contributed one bit. And I'm very grateful as the people who helped me, from my trainers, my the physios, to my well-wishers. They've been fantastic to give me so much confidence and so much ease. When I realized, when I got happy within myself, I think that is what is showing on the field.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
What was going through your mind, and what was Virat telling you?
Nothing. I missed the ball. I just get ready for the next ball. So I said nothing. Virat just came and said, I know you. You're gonna do it. That's it.